Well, konnichiwa everyone. We have made it to Tokyo Disneyland. We already did Disney Sea for the first part of this episode, but now it is time to head into the original Tokyo Park Disneyland and basically go see some of the exciting new stuff happening. Let's hop into the park now. We kind of missed the morning rush, so hopefully getting in will be smooth and easy. The line doesn't look too long at the check-in point. Let's go check it out and have a great time. So all I did was scan the QR code off my phone and we are in.
That's so cute. I like it. Walk in the park and there's just a character right there.
First impressions walking in, I must say it's very strange being under a canopy on Main Street. That is very strange. I knew a little about what to expect, but it's just weird walking in and being under a roof. That part really threw me for a loop. Now, talking about one of those things that you don't realize how good you have it until it's gone. The castle here, unlike the U.S. parks, the castle here and the park does not face north, so it's very hard to get like that good picture of the castle. We're gonna have to come back later in the day because the sun creates some very bad backlighting and making it very difficult to get that perfect castle picture. Something that you just don't realize that the US parks do so well that is different here. They have a similar bridge over here coming into Tomorrowland, just like the Magic Kingdom back home, and this is kind of where you have to come to get that better shot of the castle. Now we were both hungry and came over to the Tomorrowland Terrace, and is this not the cutest chicken nugget you've ever seen? And even though we're in a different country, I wanted to continue the updates. This is Space Mountain 2.0. If you don't know what they're doing, they're basically demolishing the old building and rebuilding it, but it's gonna look so cool. It just closed about a month or two ago, and you can kind of see a good look of what the new building's gonna be. I believe that might be the old one though, that is currently in the process of being demolished, and then you can see the new building peeking out. I believe the old ride was manufactured by Vekoma. The new ride is rumored to be Intamin track, so we'll see. I mean, just looking at it and the concept art, it looks like it's gonna be one heck of a ride. I cannot wait.
I saw my friend get this while she was here too. But look, it's a keychain.
Oh, yeah.
So you have tongs for your popcorn. It's got a little popcorn.
Shut up.
It's a keychain. So
wait, are you serious?
Bag. Yeah.
Hold on.
Like, look.
Wait.
It hooks on your bag.
Did that cost extra?
It costs extra, but I wanted so bad. And then you go like that, and you eat your little popcorn with your little Mickey Mouse toys. It actually has no flavor. It's really anticlimactic. It's pretty bad popcorn.
It's popcorn.
No, it has like no salt even on it.
Yeah.
I tried it, I was like, oh.
Oh yeah, first popcorn attempt, a dud. At least here in Tomorrowland. I think Disney Sea had far better tasting popcorn. And just like that, over there's Tomorrowland. And now we're in Fantasyland. Enchanted Tales with Belle, this amazing Trackless Dark ride, which only opened about a year or two ago, is apparently closed for refurbishment. So unfortunately, we won't be able to ride that. That was on my bucket list to do, but that's okay. Things like this will happen. It is what it is. Unfortunate, but what are you gonna do? Now, we just came off of It's a Small World with Groot, and that was a time. That was interesting for our first ride of the day. It's basically It's a Small World, but with Marvel characters the whole ride. It was fun. I enjoyed it. Very similar to other Small Worlds around the world, but still with a Marvel twist. You see, if you want a much better picture of the castle in the morning, come to the back side because of the bad backlighting from the sun placement. And just like Beauty and the Beast, Snow White's Scary Adventure is also closed for maintenance. That's okay. I really had no interest of writing this, but you can just see their cute little themed, temporarily closed for improvement signs that they have. Something to note here is that they still have the original Splash Mountain, the last remaining Splash Mountain right here at the end of Critter Country. That's interesting. Already something very different from back home where it's already been converted to Tiana. So kind of cool to see the differences and things here. Hey, konnichiwa! And look at this. You can actually buy a die-cast version of the truck or the car that you were buying it from. Like, here's a little example right here. Look at that. Like, you can kind of get a look into the back right there. Strolling through Mickey's Toontown, it's kind of interesting because it's very similar to how it is over in California. There are differences, but they do still have Gadget's Go Coaster, Roger Rabbit, a lot of the same attractions and things to do, but it's just interesting being on a completely different continent going through something very familiar. So we quite enjoyed it. It's cute. Didn't spend a whole lot of time there. Definitely aimed at the younger crowd, but still, I mean, it's Mickey's Toontown. What do you expect? Inside Gaston's Tavern, and what did my sister get? What is that?
The berry cheer or something? It's like, I think lemon, strawberry. They had some like sweet cream on the top. It's good. It's probably all over my face, but it's good.
And just like back home, they have Gaston's Tavern. It's different enough where it was cool to walk inside, even just for a bit. We grabbed a drink, or at least my sister did, and it was good. But now I believe it is time to head to our next ride, which is Monsters Inc. Ride and Go Seek, which is sort of like a laser tag dark ride, so that'll be cool to see. Oh, here we go. Look at this. Oh, I'm so getting this. Look at these amazing vending machines. Japan has it all. These vending machines are straight out of Big Hero 6. Come on, look at that. They're themed after Baymax. Well, a cat, it looks like. Why can't we have this back home? For real. And let me teach you something about Japanese vending machines, which I wish I knew before traveling overseas. If it is blue like that, it means that it is cold. If it is red, it means that it is hot. A hot vending machine. They are truly living in the future over here. And Aquarius, that drink right there, basically just Powerade I have one in my bag right now. They're very good. Just Japanese Powerade, essentially. And then you got your Coke and some other assortment of beverages. But yeah, these drinks right here, these two, actually come out hot when you order them, when they dispense. So that's kind of cool to see. Kind of cool and different. I kind of was hearing some purring and was wondering what that was. It's the cat from Big Hero 6. I forget his name, but he's just over there on the rooftop. That's kind of funny. We found this little place called Camp Woodchuck Kitchen, kind of near Big Thunder. Very cute environment. We're sitting up here on the top floor. We got what I believe is called the onigiri. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. The beef inside, really good, but then it's a lot of rice on the outside. It's basically like a rice cake for the bread, but it's shaped like Mickey, so if you like Mickey-shaped food, and this park does have a lot of them, then you might enjoy it. I don't know, but my poor, dumb American brain can't comprehend that much rice. I don't know. I don't really have a strong opinion about it. You guys, whose Honey Hunt 100% lives up to expectations? I knew it was gonna be good. This is apparently the first ever trackless dark ride. It uses similar technology to like Ratatouille, but you guys, this was so good. The Tigger part, when you're like bouncing with Tigger, I knew that the ground was gonna like move, or like the scenery around you, from just what I've read online and seen videos of all these years, but like it was 100 times better in person actually doing it. Probably so far our favorite ride here at Tokyo Disneyland. Monsters Inc. very close second in my opinion. I actually really like that, and that ride kind of getting me a little bit more excited for the Monsters Inc. coaster coming to Hollywood Studios back home, as if I wasn't already excited for that.
I loved it, but I already love Pooh Bear and like Winnie the Pooh.
You're already a big fan.
Already a big fan.
Yeah.
Huge fan.
But Pooh's Honey Hunt, that ride was so cute. Like, we just rip out the ride back home and put this in its place.
Honestly, we could do that with every ride in Disney Tokyo.
Just make every ride.
Just in general. Scratch it, make it Disney Sea. Like, it would be phenomenal. The parks here are out of this world. It's insane.
Oh, for sure.
Also, I got the cute coin.
Did you?
I did. It's really cute. Oh, it actually zoomed in pretty well.
I tried to film Big Thunder for you guys, and the whole video just ended up like this. Yeah, totally unusable footage, but it was cool to see the differences between this version and the one back home. I think I prefer the one back home, but the ending on this I prefer, if that makes any sense. It definitely throws you for a loop, totally unexpected. There's like a turn to the left, a turn to the right, all in the dark, and it was also cool to ride it like this at night. It just made for a very crappy video, and I shot it on the wrist mount on the GoPro, but still unusable. That's okay. Things like this happen.
完全に公開が視界なら立ち上がったり手や足を船の外に出したりするんじゃねえぞ。それに子供からは目を離さないでくれよ。フラッシュ撮影。
Over here. Now, easy boy. Just keep your screen a bit.
Yes, 'tis a fine treasure indeed. Is that not true, my chromatic winged beast? Drink up me heart as yo ho.
We were going to ride the Happy Ride with Baymax, but this is the line right now. All the way back there. It'd be fun to ride as the last ride, but not when the line looks like that. You gotta be kidding me. They have the soundtrack for the Happy Ride with Baymax. Oh my goodness. They also have the ride vehicle. 1,800 yen. Thanks for joining us for another episode here from Tokyo Disneyland, a park that I have been wanting to come to all my life, and we've made it. We did it. Guys, thanks for following along. Now, if we wanted to talk about the park, it's a cool park. I think I definitely prefer Disney Sea. Disney Sea is top tier. This park, if you're looking at just the castle parks, I would rank this towards near the bottom. I'm sorry. There's just something off about this park. I really enjoyed it. It has a lot of the classics like Pirates of the Caribbean, Haunted Mansion, Thunder Mountain, but it just didn't feel like it hit the bar, especially compared to Disney Sea. I don't know. It's weird. But other than that, like, the park is phenomenal. I will say we kind of hit the park at a rough time because a lot of it is under maintenance and construction. Literally like 50% of the park or more was closed or behind construction walls. I'm not even joking. Even rides I expected to be open, like Beauty and the Beast, were closed and shut down. It was very off-putting for a first-timer's visit, but I mean, nothing's gonna be perfect. I understand that. I work in a theme park, so I totally get it. Maintenance has to happen, and this is typically considered the slow season for Japan and locals, because I believe even just next week is a national holiday here. So I'm not faulting the park there. Definitely just as a tourist, it's a little frustrating, but that's okay. That is perfectly fine. But anyway, guys, stay tuned for more. We got a lot coming on the channel very soon, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Sayonara. Konnichiwa. Okay, bye.